yesterday, 'cause that's where I belong. On a rainy day, take me to that old cafe. We'll watch the teardrops drip away with everything we've known. 'Cause I know how to write a song. You know how to sing along. You take me back to summer days. Oh, it feels like yesterday, when nothing could go wrong. You take me back to summer nights. Don't need no rhythm or no rhyme. We're dancing all night long. It sounds like it sounds like on a winter day, take me down to White Rock Lake. We'll get out our old ice skates and go around a two. And when we get cold, Cafe to my radio, a melody can soothe my soul. We'll sing a song or two. 'Cause I know how to write a song. You know right where you belong. You take me back to summer days. Oh, it feels like yesterday, nothing could go wrong. You take me back to summer nights. Don't need no rhythm or no rhyme. We're dancing all night long. It sounds like it sounds like it's everything that we believed is carved right in this tree. And I hope that when you think of me, you don't have to dream.
Cameron, do you take Lindsay to be your lawfully wedded wife? And do you promise before God and these witnesses to love her, to comfort her, to keep her in sickness and health, and forsaking all others, keeping only to her so long as you both shall live? Lindsay, do you take Cameron to be your lawfully wedded husband? And do you promise before God and these witnesses to love him, to comfort him, to keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keeping only to him as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Now, by the power vested in me by the state of Tennessee and as a minister of the gospel, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Whatsoever God has joined together, let no man separate. Cameron, you may kiss your bride.
A summer rain is passing over, and it feels like a dream. I could run and look for shelter, but you hold on to me. I'm There's so much that I have told you, but it's all in my head. Ask me anything you want to, 'cause the answer is yes. I'll spend my whole life just being caught up in your eyes. Oh, don't you know you stop the room, and all that I can see is you. I'm standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime. So before the storm is past, I just wanna ask, can we make this moment last? So before the storm is past, I just wanna ask, can we make this moment last? Moment